Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, we are currently sitting at $3 trillion, even though we are seeing 1.6% pullback within the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.6%. Looking at the overall markets, as I have mentioned, we are seeing a small retracement occur within the cryptocurrency markets. If you guys can see in the last 24 hour to 1 hour, we are seeing altcoins starting to go in the red, but absolutely nothing to worry about, guys, because let's not forget that these last 2 months have been nothing but excitement for the crypto space. We are seeing gains after gains after gains being made, and let's keep things realistic. Obviously, we are going to see retracements occur. Nothing is going to go shoot up forever, but I believe this is a very healthy correction that we do need before we do continue this upward trend in this Q4. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is VeChain. All right, my VeChain family, first off, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much for each and every one of you for supporting like crazy. You guys are absolutely killing it. And I just want to say thank you so much. I do this for you guys, and I'm going to continue bringing these videos for you guys on a daily basis. If we are looking at the VeChain's price right now, you guys can see we are currently trading at 17 cents. One thing to keep in mind, we're trading at 17 cents despite the fact that we are seeing a correction occur within the cryptocurrency market. It's a very interesting thing that we should not be ignoring right now. 3.4% retracement within the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 0.8% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. The market cap is holding nicely around the $11.3 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume has increased from yesterday's, and we're currently sitting at right below $1.5 billion. Zooming out and looking at the broader picture, guys, in just the last year alone, let's not forget we're up 1,400% in just the last 30 days. We are seeing VeChain up 53.3%. So let's not forget that, guys, when we are looking at the charts on a daily basis. But now, let's get into the most exciting thing that everyone is here for, the daily update, and that is the chart. So what's going on, guys? So right off the bat, as you guys can see, something very, very interesting has happened with the price of VeChain, and I will tell you exactly what that is. You guys can see we have seen this upward trend. We broke out of this level of resistance that I have been talking about for quite a while. Very, very important, zone for the VeChain price. We broke out of it, and we saw us go all the way up to 18.6 cents, guys. We were at 18.6 cents today, and the last time we saw VeChain at this price was May 18th. So let's put this into perspective, guys. We need to put this into perspective. We did see a rejection occur around that zone. But this was the first time we broke into this 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. And since then, guys, if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys can see we have pulled down about 10%. And this does, come into, the Bitcoin pullback along with the overall cryptocurrency market consolidation does come into consideration as well. Because if Bitcoin drops, so is the entire market going to fall. And obviously, this level of resistance did play out for us, and we did see a rejection occur. But one thing to keep in mind, guys, one thing that you should not be ignoring right now is that in the last 24 hours, we are seeing the buying pressure increasing and increasing. This really goes to show the hype is coming in, the momentum is building up, people have their eyes on it, and people can sense that VeChain is about to have a breakout. And exactly that's what we're seeing right now happen. Because if we are bringing out the measuring tool, guys, I always like giving you guys this perspective. Just since September 28th, you can see VeChain has come up 103.6%. Absolutely insane. And what I have been saying for quite a while, 38.2 zone, once we get in here, guys, which we already did, and I do see us getting out of this point 50 once again. The momentum is there for itself, but we do need the markets to cool off a bit, and I do see it easily getting back into this zone and start getting into this 23.6 zone, guys. And once that happens, you guys know what the drill is. I have been saying this for quite a while. This is the zone which is the all-time high territory, because once we are get here, guys, then it's basically that we are headed to all-time highs. I do expect us to have a rejection around this level, this 23.6. If we do smash to this level, I do see it playing as a level of resistance for us. But if we break out of it, then we're off to the races and newer all-time highs coming. And I'm still calling 45 to 50 cents a possibility for VeChain to head once we do go into the price discovery mode. Because you guys need to remember, guys, once we break out of these all-time highs, we're in all-time high territories, meaning there's no level of support, no level of resistance. The price can fly to the sky, basically. So that is something that we need to keep in mind right now. The chart is literally looking extremely bullish, guys. You do not want to, you don't want to get greedy around here, guys, or lose hope around this level. Look, after this price pullback, 10% pullback after 103% pump. Let's not forget that, guys. On Crypto ZX channel, we look at all the factors, and this is one thing I always like teaching my viewers, especially the new one coming into the market. I know there's a lot of new money flowing in the markets right now, and this might be your first year or two in the cryptocurrency space where you are seeing bull run happen. And guys, you guys need to remember, patience is very much needed in this market. First off, that's something that you need to keep in mind, and you always want to lock in profits. If you're in for the long haul, then the best thing for you would be to stake. And in order to stake, you can stake your VeChain on crypto.com and earn passive income. The link in the description box below if you guys want to sign up. But you guys want to stake if you're in it for the long haul. But if you're in it for the short-term gains, guys, then definitely want to be locking in profits. Because let me give you guys a perfect example, and I do not want you guys making the same mistake again, because I care about each and every one of you guys. And when I came into the markets new back in early 2016, I made these kind of same mistakes. I thought the price is going to keep going to the sky. I literally thought we're going to go to the sky, and boy, I'm buying myself a Lamborghini tomorrow. That was my mentality. I'm not even going to deny that. But I'm sorry to say that's not how it works, because you guys need to remember there are big whale accounts. Big whale accounts, and you never know who they are, and you never know when they will dump the price on the market. Doesn't matter how good the project is, that can happen, and that's a risk that every coin faces. So my point is basically what I'm trying to get at is that if you are sitting at some massive profits, let's say you're sitting at some massive profits, and you are thinking to yourself, wow, this is some insane gains, like wow, that's basically telling you that you need to take some off the table and lock the profits, because when the retracement occur, which it always will, that's when you need to scale back in, or you could use that money for your personal use. I cannot stress this enough, guys, but right now VeChain is just getting started, in my personal opinion, and I believe VeChain is going to shake the entire cryptocurrency space very soon, and we are in it for a ride. So far, so good. Let's say, Bitcoin, we need to keep Bitcoin's price in mind. You guys can see Bitcoin hit an all-time high. We went all the way up to $68,600. Seen a small 3% retracement, guys. The momentum is still there for the price of Bitcoin. So let's not get too carried away that Bitcoin is dumping. But let's say, you never know, we see whale manipulation occur within the Bitcoin price, which can definitely occur. We need to look at the bearish point as well. So for the short and medium term, let's say we do see a dump occurring in the Bitcoin price. I do see this level at the $60,000 play out very, very importantly for the price of Bitcoin, guys. Very, very importantly, because over the past few days or weeks, we have been building support around this level. So this support will play out if we do see downwards momentum occur, which I highly likely think we will not see, but we need to address that part as well. But BTC dominance so far still increasing towards the upside, and we could even see these kind of numbers if Bitcoin continues to continue its price action towards the upside, which obviously it still can because the momentum and the steam for it is definitely there right now. But for VeChain, if that were to happen, I do see this level of support play out for us this time around. But we will see what happens. But my VeChain family, I just want to let you guys know, you know, exciting things are happening across the board. Finally, we are seeing people talk about VeChain. And, if you bought back around here or even around here, you know, you will be impressed what happens to VeChain in the immediate to mid short term range when you guys will see when we do smash past all time highs, and which I personally believe we will easily pass all time highs very, very soon, possibly even this month. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what are you guys doing right now. Are you guys buying more VeChain? Are you staking your VeChain, holding? Let me know your strategy down below, and also let me know what are you guys where do you think VeChain price is going at the end of this year? Leave the comment section below, and if I can ask you guys for one favor, and that is if you can please like, comment, and subscribe. These are the only things I ask you for, and that would mean the world to me. I love each and every one of you guys. Road to 100,000 subscriber, guys. Share the videos if you find them informative, and let's take this channel to the moon. And I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. Like, once again, guys, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for all the support that you guys are showing me on a continuous basis. I love you all, and this is just the absolute start for this channel. Do not forget to stay safe out there, because at the end of the day, guys, aside from cryptocurrencies or money or anything, safety at the end of the day is the most important thing, along with your family. Everything else absolutely comes later, so we need to always remember these things. But with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.